Okay, so if you want to make pathways, click into the lesson. For example, if I want to make a pathways for English and I want to go off my content, I'm going to click pathways, and this is going to be my content here. And I'm going to make other pathways, so using the existing lesson. So it's using all my lessons, but I'm going to use them for the other Year 4 classes. I'm using existing lessons because I want it to still be able to share and sync, whereas copy lessons is just a copy. So the default is mine, and I'm going to, for 4L, I want the pathway to be 4L, 4P, 4P, 4S, 4S, and this will mean that they will be able to move around their lessons, but it not affect the content of the lessons, or the actual program. So I'm going to save that, and that is how you make pathways.